Welcome to 53rd session of Advanced Financial Management, 5th semester BBA of Bangalore University. In this session, let us discuss DVF method and its concept. Recap of previous session. In the previous session, we discussed problems on estimating working capital. Now, learning objectives of the chapter. The objectives of this unit is to make students to understand basics of corporate valuation. Session outcome. The students can be able to understand basics of corporate valuation. Concept of DCF method. Discounted cash flow is a valuation method used to estimate the value of an investment based on its expected future cash flows. DCF analysis attempts to figure out the value of an investment today based on the projections of how money it will generate in the future. This applies to both financial investments for investors and for business owners looking to make changes to their businesses, such as purchasing new equipment. DSF analysis finds the present value of expected future cash flows using a discount rate. Investors can use the concept of the present value of money to determine whether future cash flows of an investment or project are equal to or greater than the value of the initial investment. If the value calculated through DCF is higher than the cost of the investment, the opportunity should be considered. How discounted cash flow works. The purpose of DSF analysis is to estimate the money an investor would receive from an investment, adjusted for the time value of money. The time value of money assumes that $1 today is worth more than $1 tomorrow because it can be invested. As such, a DCF analysis is appropriate in any situation where a person is paying money in the present with expectations of receiving more money in the future. For example, assuming a 5% annual interest rate, rupees 100 in a savings account will be worth rupees 105 in a year. Thank you.